Welcome back to the Locus Home Therapy Program educational series. Today we'll explore practical ways you can support the emotional and behavioural development of your child aged 8 to 16 years during the intermediate stage of their Locus therapy journey. These simple strategies are designed to become part of everyday family life. As children grow, they begin to understand not only their emotions, but also the reasons behind their choices. This is the ideal stage to help them develop greater patience, self-control, and responsibility. Let's begin with delayed rewards. Older children can understand that waiting for something worthwhile is often more rewarding than getting something immediately. Choose 1 or 2 behaviours to work on, such as starting homework on time or speaking respectfully. Use a simple point or reward system that recognises consistency over several days rather than expecting perfection every day. Next, make your praise more specific. Instead of saying, "well done," tell your child exactly what they did well. For example, "I noticed you stayed calm when you were frustrated," or "you started your homework without being reminded." Specific praise helps children recognise the behaviours you want them to repeat. Another helpful strategy is planned ignoring. Minor behaviours such as grumbling or eye-rolling often lose their power when they don't receive lots of attention. Instead, respond positively as soon as your child communicates calmly and respectfully. For more serious behaviours, use clear and predictable consequences. Agree family rules together and explain the consequences before problems happen. When a rule is broken, stay calm, apply the agreed consequence, and then allow a fresh start. Children learn best when consequences are fair, consistent, and free from anger. Finally, encourage calm breaks before emotions become overwhelming. Teach your child that stepping away for a few minutes is not giving up. It's a positive strategy for regaining control. Reading, drawing, listening to calming music, or taking a few deep breaths can all help them return ready to solve the problem more calmly. As your child becomes more involved in these strategies, you'll notice them beginning to recognise emotions earlier, make better decisions, and take greater responsibility for their own behaviour. Keep practicing these activities during everyday routines and celebrate every small success. Return to the Locus Therapy app to access your downloadable handouts, activity guides, progress rescreening, and the next stage of your child's personalised programme. We'll see you in the next Locus Home Therapy programme.